So good evening, everyone. Switch on the video and start doing the question number 2, cash book. Have you prepared the account, the cash book? Have you drawn the columns?
No, ma'am.
Please do it. Start doing.
Ma'am, could you tell me the page number?
Numerical questions. I don't have the textbook now. The numerical section, numerical questions. Question number 2. At the end of the chapter. Just a second. I will share the screen now. Question number now 1, 2. Yes, here is the question for you. Please start doing it. Can you see the question?
Ma'am, you are not sharing the screen.
Okay. Just a second. I'm sorry. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Record the following transactions in simple cash book. Yes, please do it. Before that, let me ask you the journal entries. Cash in hand. So where to write it? We will write it on the debit side as balance brought down. Okay. Cash paid to Hari. What is the journal entry?
Hari account debtor to cash.
Hari account debtor to cash. Purchased goods. Quick.
Purchase
Purchased
account debtor to cash.
purchase account debtor to cash. Okay, then cash received from Amit. Fast, no time.
Cash.
Cash account
Cash account
debit to Amit.
debtor to Amit. Okay, very good. Next one. Sold goods for cash.
Cash account debit to sales account.
Cash account debtor to sales. Wonderful. Cash account debtor to sales. Okay. Then the next one. Paid to Manish.
Manish account debit to cash account.
Manish account debtor to cash. See? We're all thorough now to cash. Paid cartage.
Cartage account debtor to
Cartage account debtor to cash. Okay. And the final one also the same way. Salary account debtor to cash. Okay. Start doing. There is no complications. Nothing is there. Okay, no? The journal entries are all clear. There is no doubt. Prepare the cash book. Tell me the balancing figure. Switch on the videos and do the problem. Let me see you all doing. Okay, only Rahul. I can see only Rahul. Pranav, Rahul. Only 2 of you. Any doubt, please ask me, okay? Is it over? Yes, Rahul, where did you reach?
Over.
Which one?
Over.
Over. What is the balancing figure?
For debit.
Just a second, let me see. Balance board down. How much is that? I mean the balancing figure. Balance carried down.
15,260.
No. Okay, I'll share the screen.
Ma'am,
Answer
12,000
where you went wrong. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
12,170.
Very good. Yes, right answer. See, Rahul, please check your answer.
I said the total amount.
Yes.
No, I said the total amount, 15,000.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry. Okay. I'm asking for the balancing figure. Okay. Anyways, others check your answer. And there is a correction in the question. Please correct it. Date. That's all. That is the only correction. You can see 31. Paid salary on November 31. There is no November 31. There is only 30 days in the month of November. So please correct it. Okay. So now we are okay with the single column cash book. It is similar to the ledger cash account. If you have finished, please start doing the next question. Question number 3. Those completed can do question number 3. Aparna, Rahul, please do that. Start doing. Others, if you have completed, all those who completed, start doing the next one. Okay. Vinay, Akshay, are you doing? Over?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Vinay,
Yes, ma'am.
then shall I change the slide? Anish, is it over?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Start doing the question number 3. Aman, over?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. So how do you feel about accounting? Is it interesting? Fun, no?
Yes.
Yes, it is. Okay. Yes, simple one. Very simple. I think this one you do it alone. I am not discussing the journal also. Let me see. Once you finish, give me the balancing figure in the chat box. Okay? Or raise your hand. Those completed. Those who have completed, raise your hand, okay? Okay, Alan, tell me the answer, the balancing figure.
Ma'am, 6,765.
6,000.
765.
Very good. Right answer. Very good. Yes. Anybody else over? Raise your hand. Yes, Aparna. Tell me the answer.
Same.
6,765. Good. Anyways. Yes, over. Most of them. Yes, Rahul, finish. I understood. Please complete it. So by now you got an idea. You are okay now with cash book. Single column cash book. We are preparing single column cash book or simple cash book. Why the name single column cash book? Because there is only one amount column and that is for cash. One amount column. You can see only a single column. Both the sides. On the debit side, you have on the debit side, you have one amount column, and on the credit side also you have only one amount column. Okay. Yes, Pranav, finish. Anish, over? Almost over.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So others can check your answers now. Okay, no, those check. Okay. Now, shall I move to the second type of cash book? This is called the single column cash book. Next, we are going to learn about double column cash book. So what would be the difference now? The difference comes regarding the amount columns. The number of amount column is going to increase. Just a second. Okay. So I know it is not clear, not that clear. The format of cash book with bank column. Okay. The difference is that we are going to provide two amount columns now. This is the cash book. Okay. In the single column cash book, we had only one column, that is cash. Am I right? I mean one amount column only. In this cash book, we are going to provide two amount columns, one for cash amount, another for bank amount. Why? As you know, nowadays, all the transactions or most of us do the transactions via bank transactions. Am I right? It is not safe to carry huge amounts with us in the hands, and same way with the business also. So always business, what is the type of account that business opens with the bank? Yes? Forgot? Which were the four types of accounts with the bank?
Savings account,
Yes.
recurring account,
Very good.
current account,
Yes.
and then
Fixed deposit account. Very good. Yes, very good. So what is the type of account opened by the banks? The banks open current account. And remember the peculiarity of current account. Interest is not provided. Okay. So the banks open current account with the business opens current account with the banks, and the transactions are all via through bank. Okay. So for the transactions that takes place through bank, we will write the amount in the bank column. Do you understand? And the other transactions, the cash transactions, the amount is written on the cash column. This is the only difference. Okay, everything, the way you post it and all is the same. The preparation is the very same. Only thing is the transactions related to bank. For that amount will be written on the bank column. You will have cash column as well as bank column on the credit side. Also, on the debit side, also on the credit side. On both the sides, you will have cash and bank, two columns. Cash, bank. Okay. So date, particulars, LF. Then one column for cash amount, one column for bank amount. Again, date, particulars, LF, one column for cash, one column for bank. So on the debit side as well as credit side. Let us see a problem. You will understand better. Question number 4. Record the following transactions in a bank column cash book. Okay, bank column cash book it is said in the question. That means it is the double column cash book. It is understood that it is double column cash book. Why? They have asked us to provide a separate column, bank column. Do you understand? Bank column is being provided. Okay. I think we'll do it together, no? Please draw. Draw the cash book. As we did in the earlier period, we'll do it together. And there is one thing to be mentioned here. I'll tell you that while we solve it. Okay. I hope you are all drawing it. I can see only Pranav and Rahul. Draw. Draw it properly, the right format. Okay, ready? All of you ready with the cash book? Don't write it, okay? Don't copy down the answer. We'll write it together. Okay, let us start. See the first transaction. Started business with cash. Started business with cash. What is the journal entry?
Cash account debited to capital account.
Very good. Yes, cash account debtor to capital. Okay. Cash account debtor to capital. So cash account is debited. Come to the debit side. December 1st to capital 80,000, where you write it in the cash column because it is a cash transaction. Nothing is relating it to bank. Cash account debtor to capital 80,000. Okay. Now, deposited in bank. Listen, deposited in bank. That means you are depositing money into the bank. So what is the journal entry? First, tell me the journal entry.
Bank account debited to cash account.
Very good. Bank account, the entry is bank account debtor to cash account. Am I right? See, this is the special case regarding cash book. Bank account debtor to cash deposited in bank. When the money is deposited in the bank, the money is not going outside. It belongs to the business itself. Suppose Anish is depositing his 10,000 rupees in bank. Is he losing money? It is his money only, no? It belongs to Anish itself. What is happening? Only the position is changing from his purse, from his hand. The amount just went to the bank account. It is not going anywhere outside. Am I right? Yes. So how to do this? Bank account debtor. So that means this cash book, it includes cash as well as bank. Am I right? We have provided both the columns. So bank account debited. So come to the debit side. You will write to cash and the amount in the bank column. Okay. Bank account is debited. And again, it is having double effect. It will appear on the credit side also. Why? This includes cash book, includes cash as well as bank. So look at the cash account. Cash account is credited. So December 4, on the credit side, we will write by bank. By bank. And the amount will come in the cash column. And such type of entry, see, you got the meaning, no? The amount, the money is not going anywhere outside. It belongs to you itself, or it belongs to the business itself. Okay, only thing is the position is changing. So such entries are called contra entries. Contra entries. And to indicate that it is a contra entry, look at LF. We are writing the letter C. Can you see? Can you see the C? Okay. C. Look at C. The alphabet C. Did you see? Yes. So this C tells us that, okay, this particular entry, it is a contra entry. So you can find the same date entry on both the sides. Contra entry. So what is the entry name? Contra entry. Okay. Deposited in bank. That's it. That is about deposited in bank. Coming to December 10th, received cash from Rahul. Cash received. Cash account debit to Rahul. So cash account is debited. Same. It is cash. Cash transaction. I mean, cash is involved. So come to the debit side of cash book. To Rahul, and you will write the amount on the cash column. Okay. Again, 15. Bought goods for cash. What is the journal entry?
Purchase account debit to cash.
Very good. Bought goods means purchase goods. Purchase account debit to cash. What happened to cash? Cash account is credited. Cash account is credited. Come to the credit side. We will write buy purchases and it is for cash. So the amount appears on the cash column. Okay. Look at the next one. December 22nd. See. Bought goods by check. When you find the term check, you understand it is a bank transaction. Okay, this purchase, for this particular purchase, the payment is done by issuing a check. So that means it is a bank transaction. So bought goods by check. What is a journal entry? Purchase account debit to bank. So it is from the bank the money is going. You have issued a check. Check is given. So bank balance get reduced. So what is bank? Look at the bank. It is credited. Come to the credit side. So you write by purchase, and the amount you will write it in the bank column. Okay. Next one, you can do it your own. Paid to Shyam by cash. Paid to Shyam by cash. It is cash. Payment is done to Shyam. So Shyam account, debtor to cash. Cash is credited. Come to the credit side. So what you write there? Shyam account, by Shyam account. It is cash transaction. You can write the amount under the cash column. Okay. Now the next one, 30th, December 30th. See, it is a contra entry. See, drew from bank for office use. It is for office use, so it is not drawings. That is clear, no? It is not drawings. Okay. Withdrawal is done from where? From bank. See, you are withdrawing your money from your account. From the bank account, it is coming to your hand. Again, it is not going anywhere else. It is with you only. Okay. So withdrew from bank for office use. When you withdraw money, what is the journal entry?
Drawing
What?
account to bank account.
Ah, very good. Cash account, debit or debtor to bank. See, when you journalize, when you write the journal entry, when you find a cash account and a bank account, it is a contra entry. Cash to bank, bank to cash. This is how a contra entry will be. When you deposit into the bank, it is bank account debtor to cash. When you withdraw from the bank, it will be cash account debtor to bank. Is that part clear? So again, let us post this. Cash account debtor to bank. Cash account is debited. So come to the debit side. We will write to bank. Cash account is debited. So where is the amount? We will write it on the cash column. Cash is received. We withdraw cash. So cash came to the business. So we write the amount under cash column. Bank account is credited. Come to the credit side. Buy cash. And the amount is written on the bank column. Why? The bank balance reduced. Okay. Next one. Rent paid by check. See, check. It is a bank transaction. Rent paid by check. Payment. It is a payment. So rent account debtor to bank. Bank account is credited. Come to the credit side. We write by rent. And where is the amount? Bank column. Now, how to do the balancing? Let me explain that. It's time, I know. Nothing. The same. You do the total of cash. Balance it. Where is the higher amount? So it is here. So the balancing figures appear there. The same way. Again, the balancing of the bank column should also be done. That's it. Okay. Don't worry. Peacefully go through this topic. We'll continue the double column cash book in the next class also. Okay. And I'll be taking banking also on Thursday. So just brush up all the portions. Not all the portions, at least the third chapter. Go through the third chapter and come be ready on Thursday. I wind up. Okay. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much. Join on time. Next class. See you.
Thank you, ma'am.